We are at week 5.
Woo-hoo.
I know. You are here with 2 of your favorite science-loving friends. You've got Miss Beamer and Miss Benz, and we are ready to do another science experiment with
yes,
you.
we are.
So this week we are going to be making a lava lamp.
Ooh.
I know. Pretty exciting, huh?
It is. I had a lava lamp in my room growing up.
Oh, that's cool. What color was your lava lamp?
It was pink.
Perfect lava lamp color choice. All right, so this specific experiment, there's going to be 2 ways that you can do this. The way that we're going to be doing it today, we're going to be using Alka-Seltzer. So if your parents, make sure that you ask them permission before you use Alka-Seltzer for this experiment. And if they don't feel comfortable with you using any Alka-Seltzer, then there's another recipe that we will put on here, another experiment that you guys can do that does not involve Alka-Seltzer, okay? So let's get started.
All right. So what we need today to make our lava lamp is an empty bottle. So this was a bottle filled with some soda, and we drank it all, and now here we are. We're going to use Alka-Seltzer today, so you're going to need 1 tablet of Alka-Seltzer, a funnel, some water, some food coloring, and some vegetable oil. So to start off, we're going to fill our bottle about 1/4 of the way full with water. So,
Okay, I'll hold it still.
all right. Does that look good?
That probably looks good. I would think that's about 1/4 of the bottle. So.
Okay, all right. So after we poured our water, now we're going to pour our vegetable oil. So we're going to pour the vegetable oil into our bottle until it's almost full.
Oh wow, that's a lot of vegetable oil.
I know. We're going to see if we have enough vegetable oil. Pour, 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 pour. So water and oil don't mix. So you can kind of see how, or you're pouring, how your water and how your oil is balling up in that water and kind of pushing away from the water.
That's so cool.
So we're gonna get our bottle almost full. So we're gonna say that's enough. And then we're gonna wait for that oil and that water to separate. It's already doing it pretty quickly on its own, but we're gonna give it just a moment to separate itself out. So now that your oil and your water has separated, you can see our oil on the top and our water on the bottom. You're gonna get your Alka-Seltzer tab. So you have to make sure your parents are okay with you using this. And
Should we add some food coloring in first?
Oh my
though?
goodness, yes we should.
I think that would be a good
What?
idea.
Good scientists sometimes forget. So I chose red and green. So we're gonna drop some red.
Ooh, that looks cool.
Okay, I did 6 drops of red.
Wow.
I think I'm gonna go to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10.
So I don't know if y'all are noticing this, but when we dropped our food coloring, it went only through the oil and stopped right before it hit the water.
Wow.
That's
Okay, let's see if the green does the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Perfect. That looks good.
It's doing the same thing. I wonder what that means. I don't know what this is gonna do then. Uh-oh, 1 broke through.
That's okay. We'll keep moving along.
So we're gonna drop half of our tab in, and we're gonna see what happens. Whoa!
There it goes. It's starting to bubble up, if you can see.
Look at that lava lamp.
Colors are starting to come up, and they're forming through the oil. That's
I wonder
awesome.
what would happen if we dropped the other half. Do you want to see what it does?
Oh, let's see. This is what experimenting's all about.
Oh, there it goes.
Let's see.
Cool.
It's making more of those lava lamp bubbles on the other side.
It is.
That is awesome. What a good idea to try another
Yeah.
tablet.
What a fun experiment. All right, we have 1 more in our package, so I'm going to drop both halves down at the same time. Let's see what happens if we drop a whole another tab. Look at that lava lamp. That one's really big.
Oh, that is. It's
Our-
making some pretty big bubbles down there.
So our food coloring kind of mixed together and made a dark color. So if you at home chose just green or just red or food coloring that would mix to make a different color, you probably would still be able to see those separate colors.
Yeah. So how does this work? So how it works is the oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense, meaning that it is lighter than the water. So the food coloring has the same density as the water, so it sinks to the bottom of the oil but does not sink through the water. So once we drop the tablet in and it starts to dissolve, it dissolves making a type of gas called carbon dioxide. So gas or air is even lighter than the water, so it floats to the top.
Wow.
So that's how you get those bubbles bouncing up and down on them.
So cool.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy making your lava lamps, and we'll see you next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye.